7 minus 1 times 7 minus 1. Now we have this minus this will give us 6. This minus this will give us what? 6. 6 times 6 is equals to what? 36. But this answer is not correct. The reason why it's not correct because we omitted a rule called order of operation. And the order of operation is we have BODMAS. Some people call it PEMDAS. Depending on the one you are using, they are the same thing. So this B stands for bracket of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So, and the rule states that we have to solve from left to right. Now, if we follow this rule to solve this equation, our answer will not give us 36. So, this times this, this minus this will give us 6. There's an invisible multiplication here. Why? Because 1 is close to this bracket. If any number close to bracket is multiplication, so we'll put it here. Now we have 7 minus 1 times 6. 7 minus 1 times 6. Look at our order of operation. We have minus and multiplication. Which one comes first? Is multiplication. So we have to multiply this. 1 times 6 will give us 6. Then 7 minus 6 will give us 1. So our final answer is 1.